You're watching Filter Kaapi. My name is T.S. Sudhir. This is for all those students who have been asking for an update on what's really happening as far as the legal case, the review petition that was filed relating to the JEE and the NEET. This was filed by ministers of 6 opposition rule states in the country. Now, the impression many students have is that if the review petition is filed, it will immediately lead to a stay or postponement of the NEET and the JEE, but that will really not be the case, and I'll tell you exactly why. So what I'm going to put out before you are 8 basic facts. This is not opinion, certainly not Filter Kaapi's opinion. These are bare facts. Now, I will quote a tweet by Sunil Fernandez, who is the advocate on record in the Supreme Court, who has said that unless and until the review petition is listed, until there is a clear stay order on the conduct of the JEE and NEET by the Supreme Court, the exams will be held as scheduled. Mere filing of review does not mean the exams are postponed. I am quoting from the tweet. Now, on the day the review petition was filed, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the lawyer, had spoken of a possible hearing only on the 1st of September or later, which means that the JEE, which starts on the 1st of September and goes on till the 6th, will go on as scheduled. Now, there is talk that there could be a possible hearing on Monday, which is the 31st of August, but as of now, till the time that I am recording this, no word on that. Point number 3, even as this particular review petition news is going on, 2 students have written to the Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice Bobde, asking him to quash the notification for both the JEE and NEET. They've written in the letter that there is nothing more important than human life. So that's an important development. 2 students writing directly to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Point number 4. Now, since this is a review petition filed by the opposition ministers in different states, it means that the prayer will be placed before the same 3-judge bench which gave the verdict on the 17th of August, right? Now, given how the hearing went 2 weeks ago, and all of you are familiar with that the case was disposed of in just about 5 minutes, and how emphatic Justice Arun Mishra was, you can draw your own conclusion as to how this review petition may go. We are not saying anything, but that's what the general opinion among the legal fraternity is. They are a little circumspect about how successful this review petition possibly could be. Incidentally, point number 4, incidentally, Justice Arun Mishra is set to retire on the 2nd of September. So he has just about 2 working days left in his tenure as judge of the Supreme Court. And he has a number of cases to pronounce the verdict before he leaves office on the 2nd of September. So again, not many people sure as to how much priority this review petition may actually get, and whether the students and the opposition parties will get the attention that they think this particular review petition deserves. Point number 5. Now, since the day the opposition parties filed this petition, 2 important developments have taken place. And both of them concern chief ministers who were not part of the meeting that was convened by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. In Delhi, we know that the Aam Aadmi Party government has been demanding the postponement of these 2 entrance examinations. But the Lieutenant Governor Arun Baijal has shot down a proposal of the Delhi government to postpone the examinations, and I would say it's not surprising given the fact that the LG reports directly to the Union Home Ministry. Point number 6, in Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, you would recall, the Chief Minister of Odisha, had spoken to the Prime Minister again requesting him to postpone these examinations, and he cited the fact that there is a flood situation in Odisha and also the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, what the Odisha government has said, that it has promised help to all the students who need help to reach their respective exam centers, especially from areas that are flood hit. Last point, the Government of India on Saturday announced the Unlock 4 guidelines, and if you have gone through those guidelines, they have said that the metro rail will start operating in the month of September. They have also announced that though the schools and colleges will remain shut, schools, any student who wants to go to the school to take specific guidance from a teacher with the written consent of his or her parents can actually do so from the 21st of September. So these kind of voluntary visits are going to be allowed from the 3rd week of September. Also, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has been very insistent that these examinations will not be postponed, they will be held. This despite the usual scenes of crowding outside the exam centers, and we saw that on the 29th of August when the hotel management entrance examination was held and conducted, interestingly, by the same NTA which is going to conduct the JEE and the NEET in September. So that's really the update. All I would say is, do not focus on what's happening inside the court. Focus on your preparation, because you really don't have, for JEE, definitely just the last few hours. For NEET, you just have about what, 13 to 14 days left now. So leave the logistical arrangements that you may need to make to your parents or anyone elder in your family. Do not clutter your mind, be anxious about how you're going to reach the examination center and what will happen and whether you will be safe or not. Anxiety is the last thing you need to have before your big examination. So all the best to you. Stay safe, but stay focused and stay calm and focus on what you need to do. Thank you very much for watching.